Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I'm so excited about this recipe. Summer is finally here. It's absolutely beautiful outside and we've been using the barbecue a lot. Today I'm going to be making a Seekh Kebab burger. I'm going to take the delicious recipe that we know and love, that is the Seekh Kebab, and I'm going to be turning it into a patty form so I can slap it between a burger and everyone's going to love it. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get grilling. To start with, I'm going to add 2 cups of onion and 2 to 3 chilies to my food processor so I can get a nice fine dice. You can also do this by hand if you like. I want to take all of the moisture out of this onion so that the kebab does not fall apart on the grill. I have a sieve here lined with cheesecloth and I'm going to scrape all of the onion in there. This onion will yield 2 cups after the water has drained. Add some salt to help rehydrate the onion faster. Tie up the cheesecloth and place a weight on it to speed up the process. I'm just using a couple of old pressure cooker weights. Leave this for about 30 to 60 minutes and give it a nice squeeze and the onions are ready. In the same food processor, I'm going to work with the meat mixture. I have 1.5 kilos of lean beef here. This is about 3.3 pounds and I'm using an 80-20 fat ratio. I like to make larger batches of these burgers so I can freeze some for later as well. Because my food processor cannot handle the volume at one time, I'm going to work on the mixture in batches, but I'm going to call out the ingredients all at the same time. I have 1 teaspoon each here of coriander seeds and black peppercorns, and I'm just going to crush it roughly in my mortar and pestle. I'm going to add in the meat, 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to add the crushed pepper and coriander, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala. Remember that I'm working in 2 batches, so I'm only adding half the ingredients. Add the onion and salt to taste. Cover and process, remove and repeat. Mix in a half cup of finely diced coriander. For best results, chill the meat mixture for an hour. To make the burgers, I'm going to divide the meat. You can totally eyeball this, but for precise results, I'm going to weigh each patty, and these are about 6 ounces. You can make bigger patties if you like. Once they are weighed, I'm going to use my handy dandy burger press and I'm just going to press down on each ball for a perfect patty. If you don't have one of these, you can just make these patties by hand. I prefer my burgers almost or completely frozen as they are easier to handle on the grill. Stick these in the freezer for at least 2 hours. If I'm freezing these for later, I just separate the patties using some parchment paper, and then I like to stack them and bag them. Once you're ready to cook, get your grill nice and hot and cook these on both sides. Serve these on a bun with a slice of onion and tomato and a nice dollop of green chutney. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Seekh Kebab burger. Make this for your family and friends and they're going to love it. Make sure you share my channel with your family and friends and also ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.